Hey guys, it's Vina and I've been wanting to make this video forever. It is my Vina's tips for achieving the best grip on your pole. So I cover this here and there throughout the lessons, but I thought I'd make a whole complete video that you can refer back to and share with others if needed. And if you only take away one thing from this video, let it be that tacky skin is the key to maintaining your grip on any pole finish. So here's my breakdown of who might benefit from grip aid and what type of grip aid to use for your specific needs. And I'd like to point out that I have lived in the desert, Las Vegas, in San Francisco near the cool ocean, in Minnesota and North Dakota where we experience almost every weather condition possible. And I'm currently in Florida where I dance outside in the heat and humidity. I can tell you without a doubt, the climate that you dance in will change what you need as far as grip aids and how to achieve tackiness. So having dry skin or sweaty skin can often feel like you're doing the right thing as far as your grip, but no matter how hard you squeeze, you still slide or slip. So of course, there is a factor of you need to build strength. But for now, we are just talking about skin. Some people have naturally tacky skin, so most finishes are going to work well for them. Consider yourself blessed by the pole goddesses. You don't need to watch this, unless you're an instructor. Now, others like myself might have dry skin, and if you tend to feel cold during the day when you're just doing your thing, a grip aid that adds tackiness probably is what you're looking for. A good warm-up usually will do the trick in creating just enough sweat to develop tackiness on your skin, but it's usually only going to work if your environment that you're in is warm or humid. Now, if your environment is cold or there's AC running, air conditioning, you might need to add a grip aid to help your skin stay tacky if you run cold. So here's an easy test that you can do. Next time you're on your pole and you feel like you're slipping, go on your hand. If that helps you stick and it feels more secure, that means you're going to benefit from a grip aid that adds tackiness. And I have a free recipe for a homemade spray. Just let me know if you'd like it. Now, if you're somebody who often feels warm or hot during the day and you end up feeling really sweaty after just the warm-up, then a grip aid that is an antiperspirant, reducing sweat, is what you'll need. Now, being sweaty will make your pole feel impossible to grip, but in a different way from the dry skin issue, in my opinion. Slipping with sweat is far more scary, because you'll go from feeling super secure to suddenly it is slick. And this might happen all while holding the same pose. It is not safe. So you will need to use a grip aid that reduces stress. It is not cheating. It is about safety. And for some reason, there's a terribly misleading myth out there that grip aid is cheating and will hinder your progress in building strength. Now, this is not true. But even if it were true, wouldn't you rather take a little bit longer building your strength than increasing your risk of falling off the pole by not using grip aid? If you're somebody who doesn't want to put product on your skin, I totally get it. There are other options for you. You can purchase clothing like sticky leggings, sticky tops, gloves. The only trouble with them is you will stick like glue, which means there's literally no wiggle room to let you settle into a pose. So this type of clothing is kind of challenging for a lot of beginners. Same goes for rubber wraps, silicone poles, and some powder-coated poles. You will need to be very precise when using these because you can't shimmy into your position. But sticky clothing is a great option if you do need to dance outside in the cool, or you need to cover your skin for sun protection, but you still will need to do a warm-up. Don't skip that. You have to warm up your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In conclusion, if you have dry skin, you will need to increase your tackiness, so moisture is needed. If you have moist skin, you will need to decrease this, so an antiperspirant is needed. Do not assume that the grip aid that came with your pole works for everyone, or the grip aid at the studio or your friend has will work for you. You need to know your environment, your skin, and then decide on which grip aid. Do you need to add tackiness or remove moisture? Bye.